Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Keeping trailer truck diagnostic systems in top shape isn't just about avoiding breakdowns. It's a matter of safety, efficiency and staying compliant with regulations. Ignoring small issues can lead to costly repairs or even accidents on the road. This guide covers simple but effective ways to stay ahead of problems, from routine checks to using diagnostic tools the right way. You'll learn how to spot early warning signs and take action before minor glitches turn into big headaches. Understanding trailer truck diagnostic systems. Modern trailer trucks rely on advanced diagnostic systems to keep them running smoothly. These systems act like a truck's nervous system, constantly checking for issues and reporting back in real time. Without them, minor problems could go unnoticed until they turn into major failures. Key components of diagnostic systems. Diagnostic systems combine hardware and software to monitor a truck's health. Here's what makes them work. Sensors. Tiny devices track everything from engine temperature to tire pressure. They send instant alerts if something's off. Electronic control units, ECUs. These act like the truck's brain, processing data from sensors and making adjustments to optimize performance. OBD systems, onboard diagnostics. Standardized tools that read trouble codes, helping mechanics pinpoint issues fast. Telematics. Wireless systems collect and transmit data remotely, letting fleet managers monitor trucks without being on site. Without these parts working together, diagnosing problems would be like guessing in the dark. How diagnostic systems improve truck performance. Diagnostics don't just find problems, they prevent them. By tracking key metrics, these systems help. Engine health. Spotting early signs of wear like irregular oil pressure or coolant leaks before they cause breakdowns. Fuel efficiency. Monitoring fuel use and suggesting adjustments to save money over long hauls. Emissions compliance. Keeping exhaust systems in check to avoid fines and environmental harm. Brake and suspension safety. Warning drivers about worn brake pads or uneven weight distribution. A well-maintained diagnostic system isn't just about fixing issues. It's about catching them before they cost you time, money, or worse, an accident on the highway. Next, let's look at how regular maintenance keeps these systems sharp. Common diagnostic system issues in trailer trucks. Even the best diagnostic systems can run into trouble. When sensors fail, software acts up, or connections drop, small issues can quickly become big problems. Recognizing these common hiccups early keeps your truck running smoothly and avoids costly downtime. Identifying sensor failures. Sensors are the eyes and ears of your diagnostic system. When they fail, the truck loses critical awareness. Here's how to spot a sensor issue. False or inconsistent readings. If your dashboard shows erratic fuel levels, sudden temperature spikes, or pressure warnings that come and go, a sensor might be faulty. Check engine lights. Persistent warning lights without an obvious cause often point to sensor failures. Poor performance. Hesitation during acceleration, rough idling, or unexplained drops in fuel efficiency can all trace back to bad sensor data. A single faulty sensor can trick the system into making unnecessary adjustments, wasting fuel or missing real problems. Regular sensor checks should be part of every maintenance routine. Software and connectivity problems. Diagnostic systems rely on software, and like any tech, it can glitch. Outdated firmware or shaky connections create blind spots in your truck's health monitoring. Watch for these red flags. Slow or frozen interfaces. If your diagnostic tool lags or crashes, the software might need an update. Or worse, a bug fix. Sync failures. Telematics that won't transmit data to fleet managers could mean outdated software or weak signal handling. Error codes with no explanation. Random, vague codes often stem from software conflicts or compatibility issues after updates. Keeping software current and testing connections after updates prevents most of these headaches. A quick check before hitting the road saves hours of troubleshooting later. Routine maintenance practices for diagnostic systems. Keeping your trailer truck's diagnostic systems sharp doesn't take much effort, just consistent attention. Neglecting simple upkeep can lead to false alarms, missed warnings, or worse, a breakdown on the road. A few routine practices go a long way in keeping these systems reliable. Regular software updates. Diagnostic software is only as good as its latest update. Manufacturers release patches to fix bugs, improve accuracy, and sometimes add new features. Here's how to stay current. Check for updates monthly. Set a reminder to scan for firmware or software updates. Many systems let you enable automatic notifications. Follow manufacturer guidelines. Some updates require specific installation steps or a reset afterward. Skipping these can cause glitches. Test after updating. Take the truck for a short drive to confirm sensors and ECUs are communicating properly. Outdated software can misread data or fail to detect emerging issues. Think of it like using an old map. It might still work, but you'll miss critical details. That's the first step to maintaining your trailer truck diagnostics. There's more to learn, so stay tuned for part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.